Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Oculus Quest 2. This is the 64 gig, not the 256 one. Obviously time's a little tight, so we got to go with what we can. Let's try not to destroy the package while we do this. I also have the link cable holding it up. I don't think there's really much to say about that. What's in this box is the headset, 2 controllers, batteries, power adapter, glasses, spacer, and charging cable. We can get rid of this. And let's open this. I mean, it's nicely packaged. Well, I mean, it's from Facebook, so it should be. And Oculus is one of the leading VR headsets. So, oh, check this out. Isn't that nice? First things first. Oh. Controller's a little smaller than I was expecting. That's for the glasses. To be honest, the whole thing's a little smaller than I was expecting. Move lenses. Obviously, it's actually very comfortable feeling pad. I mean, I'm sure after a while that'll not feel as comfortable. I've seen a bunch of the aftermarket ones online already. Move lenses left to right for clear. Oh, so you gotta move these by hand. I don't want to mess with that just yet. I guess we don't really need this on, huh? But yeah, that's the full headset, the full strap. It's got the camera sensors right there, so you got 4. And you don't need the glasses. This obviously is the charger. If I could open a box. Oh, fancy. Okay, nice. I could always add another one of these to my repertoire. Oh, nice. What do you got here? This looks like just warranty and instruction manual. I'm pretty sure all of this will be done from your phone or computer. Well, this will be done from your phone. That's why I got the link cable, so I could use it on my computer for a bunch of my Steam games and all that. So, pretty much that's what you get. Pretty simple. I will try it on and see. There's weird texture things in there. This is the other controller. I don't know if it's just a thumb pad or something. Yeah, oh, this one has it too. It looks like it might be touchscreen. I don't know if you could really see it, that little area right there. We'll figure it out. Well, I guess we'll have to try it on and see how it goes. We'll be right back. All right, well, here it is. Sorry for the make sure I'm even in shot here. I'm sorry for the green screen behind me. I was filming for Twitch earlier. It's nice. It's actually an experience. It's different. definitely see someone that's not done it before getting a little nauseous at some point, or definitely walking in and hitting themselves. I would definitely look into getting a new head strap and the cushioning around the eyes. I can see those after a little bit getting a little agitating. Sorry if I'm saying a lot and just looking around. It's it's definitely cool. For the price, for $300, you can't beat it. Things are like flashing on screen. Anyway, I will do my best to get some footage and show it around. It's hard to explain without actually showing you. So we'll work on that. But besides that, it's comfortable. The controllers are comfortable. I will use the wrist straps, don't worry. But yeah, let's see if I can get into some gameplay footage for you and show you what it's about.